So this is how to set up a folder in Google Drive if you have a Google account. You can either go to drive.google.com and it will take you to your Drive, or you can just click on any Google part when you're logged in and click on what I call the waffle, and it will show you your Drive that will take you into your Google Drive. So the first thing you want to do is go to New, and then you're going to create a folder. And so I'm going to call this QRD Picks 2021, or you could call it Shanahan Tournament, whatever you want. Create. And so once you have that, I know that you work on your mobile, on your phone, so it might be a little bit different than this and a challenge on a mobile device, but we'll see. So I open that up, and then you can upload photos. So I can either drag and drop, or I click in here. So I can go to File, Upload, and then click all the pictures that I want to put in this folder. I don't have any pictures, I don't think. Here, these are pictures, just saved screenshots. So I'll just save them, and then they will upload to, and then the next thing you want to do is, now that you have them, if you want to share them, you just click on the folder name and you go to Share. And then we're going to make it shareable to anyone who has the link, so that you can copy that link of the folder and any pictures in it. And when you email it out, or however it goes, that they can see those. And then everybody has access. So I just sort of shared that, and then I can copy that link. Anyone on the internet with that link can view, and then they can see your pictures once you've uploaded them from there.